Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here at Sun City Waterfalls, and you can see over background over here, and this is called the Sun City Waterfalls, as well as this is also known as Attapur Waterfalls. And I'm here along with five of my subscribers. I met here five of my subscribers over here, and their names are Sohail, Ansar, Salim, and Khalil, and Hadar, and they are telling hi to all of you.
Please do subscribe. Okay.
तो ये लोगों की वजह से मैं यहाँ पर आया, और जो है सो मुझे ये लोग यहाँ का बताया एड्रेस, तो अंदर आया, नहीं तो मैं यहाँ पर इतने अंदर नहीं आ सकता था क्योंकि कंफ्यूज रूम था मैं। तो ये भाई लोग अंदर आए, तो उसी वक्त मैं भी यहाँ पर एंट्री किया, और मैं यहाँ का ब्लॉग कंप्लीट करूँगा, और यहाँ पर कैसा है वाटरफॉल्स मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगा। The view is just stunning, and the flow of water and reflection simply amazing. Seasonal but scenic. Hi friends, and this is the top view of Attapur Waterfalls, and this is also known as Sun City Waterfalls. One more subscriber over here, and he's telling hi to all of you. Hi. And as you can see over here, a very beautiful view over here, and this is called the Attapur Waterfalls, and as well as this is also known as Sun City Waterfalls. And have a look at the wonderful view of Attapur Waterfalls.